Hello students. So today we are going to begin a new chapter of geography, which is natural vegetation and wildlife. So we will start with natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation means plants growing naturally in any region. Vegetation and wildlife are valuable resources of any country. Plants provide us with oxygen, food, timber, gum, resins, etc. And animals provide us with milk, meat, wool, etc. So that is why natural vegetation and wildlife both are important. And natural vegetation means plants growing naturally in any region. Distribution of natural vegetation. The growth of vegetation depends mainly on temperature and moisture. This is very important. That distribution of natural vegetation is mainly based on temperature and moisture of any place. The major vegetation types of the world are grouped as forests, grasslands, scrubs and tundra. So let us read about some major types of vegetation. The first is tropical evergreen forest. The evergreen forest remains green throughout the year as all trees do not shed their leaves together in the same season. Okay. So the evergreen forests are those which remain green the whole year. The whole of the year they remain green. Why they remain green? Because all the trees they do not shed their leaves together in the same season. The tropical evergreen forest is located between 10 degree north and 10 degree south latitudes. This is the location of tropical evergreen forest, 10 degree north and 10 degree south latitudes. These type of forests are found in the Amazon and Orinoco river basins in South America, the Congo basin of Africa, and the Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, New Guinea and parts of Philippines. The region experiences excessive rainfall and this area is marked by hot and humid climate. So climate over here is hot and humid and it experiences excessive rainfall. The trees here are tall with hardwood and broad leaves. The trees form thick canopy on its top. Now you all know what is canopy. Canopy is overhead roof formed by the leaves of the trees. The trees found here are mahogany, rubber, rosewood, etc. They cannot be easily exploited for commercial use because the forests are very dense and many varieties are found intermixed in a small area. A variety of animals are found in this region, namely monkeys, apes, bats, lizards, pumas, jaguars, alligators, crocodiles, turtles, snakes, etc. So with this we have done about tropical evergreen forest. What type of forests are there? What type of climate is found over there? What is their location? What type of trees and plants are found over there? What type of animals are found over there? So next we are going to learn about tropical deciduous forest. The forest spreads over the countries of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Central America, parts of Brazil, East Africa and Northern Australia. It is also called monsoon forest. Now why it is known as monsoon forest? Because it spreads over the Indian subcontinent and receives monsoon rains. The average rainfall is 150 centimeters. The forests are less dense than the evergreen forest. These forests have dense undergrowth, that is shrubs and herbs. Now why these forests have dense undergrowth? This is because the sunlight easily penetrates the forest due to lack of canopy. These forests also have high commercial value due to less intermixing of plant species. The trees found here are teak, sal, sandalwood, bamboo, shisham, etc. The mangrove forests are found in the marshy and swampy delta region of the Sundarbans in India. They are also called tidal forest because they are abundant in intertidal zones near delta area. The animals found here are mainly monkeys, bears, deer, rhinoceros, leopards, snakes, elephants, etc. Next type of forest that we have are the temperate evergreen forest. Now, what is temperate evergreen forest? The temperate evergreen forests are found along the eastern coastal margins of the continents. They lie in the temperate regions of the southeastern parts of China, Japan, USA, Brazil, Uruguay, southeastern Australia, and New Zealand. The area is characterized by dry summers and wet winters. Both hardwood and softwood trees are found here. These forests are considered very valuable in terms of timber production. The main species of trees found here are oak, pine, eucalyptus, acacia, camphor, bamboo, and mulberry. The animal species found here are rodents like mice, squirrels, porcupines, beavers, etc. Deer, monkeys, and antelopes are also found here. The giant panda is common in the forests of China. Next are the temperate deciduous forests. The temperate deciduous forests are found in the cool climate regions of the northwestern USA, northeastern China, western Europe, New Zealand, and southern Chile. The climate is cool and rainfall is moderate. The trees are not very tall. They have thick trunk and broad leaves. These trees shed their leaves in the autumn and remain bare throughout winter season. The main trees found here are oak, ashes, maple, sweet gum, cherry, etc. Shrubs like rhododendrons and huckleberries are also found here. Animals found here are foxes, deer, wolves, wild cats, etc. Next, we are going to learn about Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean forests are located between 30° and 45° latitudes. They spread over coastal part of Europe, Africa, and Asia bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It is also found in parts of California, Chile, and Western Australia. The region experiences dry summer and mild, wet winters. They are dense forests with broad-leaved evergreen trees. The main trees found here are oak, fig, pine, cedar, fir, etc. This region is also known as orchard of the earth. Why? Because of fruit-bearing trees like orange, oak, olives, etc. This region is famous for cultivation of grapes. Deer, rabbits, squirrels, foxes, lizards, snakes, etc. are found here. Next type of vegetation is desert vegetation. The desert type of vegetation is found in hot deserts of Sahara, Kalahari, Atacama, Great Australia Desert, Arabian Desert, and the Thar Desert. These areas experience hot summers and dry winters. The rainfall is very scanty. Scanty means very less. Mainly shrubs and scrubs are found here. Most of the bushes have thorny leaves, long roots, waxy stems, and thick barks. All these features help them to adapt in hot and dry conditions. Cactus, acacia, and date palms are found here. Main animals found here are camels, desert fox, antelopes, snakes, lizards, rodents, etc. The camel is called the ship of the desert. It has padded feet to walk on the sand. It can store water in its hump to survive in the arid conditions. Next is tundra vegetation. Tundra vegetation spreads over the Arctic Circle, the northern part of Canada, Alaska, Greenland, and northern Europe. The temperature is very low and the ground is covered with snow nearly throughout the years. These areas do not have much of vegetation cover. Some small flowering plants, mosses, and lichens grow here. The Arctic willow is a common plant in the tundra region. The animals in this region usually have fur or layer of thick fat on their body, which protects them from cold. The reindeer, polar bear, muskox, polar dogs, etc. are found here. So with this, we have completed about the distribution of natural vegetation in the world. Now we will discuss about natural vegetation of India. The types of vegetation found in India are tropical evergreen forest, we can also call them tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest, tidal forest, and mountain vegetation. India has a large variety of forests depending upon the amount of rainfall. The Indian forest can mainly be grouped into the following 5 types.